Hello everyone, welcome back to Naina Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to restore the HANA database from the backup. And this is the system database. This is the system database overview. And this is the tenant database overview. Now I will restore the tenant database from the backup. This is the backup. And these are the backup files. So I'm going to restore these backup files. So prerequisite to restore the backup is we have to stop the application. So I will stop the application now. Now application is stopped. I'll go to database. I'll close tenant database S4H. From the system DB, I will right click and go to backup and recovery. Recover tenant database. Select the tenant database S4H. Click next. Here there are three options: recover the database to its most recent state, or recover the database to the following point in time. So here you have to specify the date and time, and recover the database to a specific data backup. So in our case, I will choose recover the database to a specific data backup. So if you have log files, you can choose any of the two options. Recover the database to its most recent state, or recover the database to its the following point in time. So if you have the log backup, if you don't have log backup, if you want to restore from the specific data backup, you can choose the third option: recover the database to a specific data backup. Click next. Here, recover using backup catalog. You have to specify the path of the catalog, so where it will have all the information of your backup, database backup and log backup. And if you don't have catalog backup, then you can choose the another option, that is recover without backup catalog. If you have backend, for example, if it is if you want to do the system copy, you can choose backend system copy. But in our case, I'm just restoring or recovering the database. Choose recover without backup catalog. Click next. Here you have to specify the location of the backup file and the backup prefix. Here the destination type is file or backend or snapshot. So if you want to restore from the backend, you can choose backend, and if you want to restore from the snapshot, you can choose snapshot. But we have the file system backup, so I have choose file, and this is the location of the backup file, and this is the backup prefix. Click next. Here we are not restoring to the most recent state, and we are not restoring to the specific time. So that's why these options are disabled, and it's by default it's initialize the log area. And if you are restoring through the backup log or most recent state, then you can specify, you can remove this check mark. Click next. This is the recovery setting, database S4H, host SAP S4H. This is the version of the database, and this is the recovery definition. That is the backup. Recovery type is no database backup recovery, and this is a prefix, and this is the database backup path. Click finish. Here there is a warning that the database must be offline before recovery can start. So in our case, that is the S4H, the tenant database should be stopped. It is not stopped because for the training purpose I haven't kept open. So I will click OK. It will stop automatically. You can see the progress of the recovery. So the current progress is stopping the database. Here you can see now it started recovery. Now initial phase of the recovery is calculating the size of the backup. Now the recovery is completed successfully and database also restarted. Let's check. This is the tenant database. You can see here, this is the backup log file. You can see recovery data finished successfully. So you can verify with the backup log of tenant database. Now we will start SAP application. Now R3 trans -d also successful. Now we'll start the SAP HANA application. Now SAP HANA application, S4 HANA application is started. This is the login screen for SAP S4 HANA application. That means our SAP HANA database recovery is completed successfully. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you like the session, hit like, share, and subscribe to Nahina Tech. Thank you for watching Nahina Tech.